Attention, can you hear us? This is the Dalia AR warning system. The following message may having a problem and an issues. A short came to me, called RIP Kirby. It's about Kirby meeting and introducing himself. He said a secret that he is hungry and the skin fall of the body fall like only on piece. Then he said oh no and all of his skin fall, and became like meat. His eyeballs fall and eat through that's we are meat he ate us with his sharp teeth. So the missions is to kill Kirby and feed him, and take care for you all. If you actually like the channel, you still want to listen to me, and will listen to you, have a good life.